Hey, are you wondering where are we going? Have you ever seen stones floating in the air one above the other with the help of a rope? Let's see where it is and what is the physics behind this floating rocks. This is Pushpa. Welcome back to our channel again. So, one of the latest attractions in the Hyderabad which is making people awestruck. Are you also awestruck by looking at the thumbnail? Along with the essential roads, the pavements impress the metropolis dwellers with their lovely colors and numerous shapes. Hyderabad has been considerably developed in the past few years. We can see the expansion and growth of the city. It's getting shaped as a cosmopolitan city from the metropolitan city. Against all this, we have a stone sculpture at Mojamjahi Market Junction, exactly opposite Karachi Bakery. So you can observe here this stone sculpture is exactly opposite. On the one side of this stone sculpture, you can see Mojamjahi Market. On the other side, you can see Karachi Bakery. We have stone sculpture at Jamjahi Market. The sculpture looks as if one stone is floating in the air and trying to lift the other stone and asking the down stone to come fly along with it. The sculpture is stunning the passers by and they are clicking pictures. This artwork was made by city based artist Akal Mukim. Mukim said the rocks are balanced through opposite gravitational force. So now you came to know what is the physics behind it, right? That is the anti gravitational force. The sculpture is made with fiberglass material with mild steel pipe acting as a support. So you can see the rope which is acting as a support between the two rocks, right? That is nothing but a mild steel pipe. Mr. Mukim finished this beautiful art in approximately 20 days and has an added charm to the city. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button.